Round 3, everybody.
Round 3.
And Anna will go first, because I went first last time. So close, Anna. So close.
Rhiannon's turn. As you can see, she's drenched.
Just practicing.
Again! Let's go get drenched! Again! Should we make it that we have to stand up tall with bottles like poured on our head? Or what? Should we make a rule that you have to have water like just like standing up straight, just like?
Oh yeah, we should use this. Fill this all the way up. Where's the bottle? Oh, fill this all the way up. You use a half, I use half, and we dunk it on, and we just go like this. Go like straight up.
Okay.
Outside.
Not that water, not that water.
Yeah.
Cause that's fresh water. Okay. Should we use like a bowl or something, or do you think this is good?
This is good.
Okay.
Use the hose.
Cause it's like never ending.
I'm gonna do this at my softball practice. This will feel nice.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
It's like a river flow. Or like exploding Pepsi.
Okay. Now,
You go first.
why?
Should I go first?
Well, you went first last. No, I went first last time, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you're first.
Oh,
Use half. So I'll tell you when it's done.
okay.
When you're done with the half. And
I'm
gonna be drenched.
Actually, no. Let's do a whole bottle each. This counts like 2.
No, this counts as one bottle. I have to do that too.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna cheat. All the way up, like more up.
Okay.
You didn't even get any out. Like, don't let it touch your head. Yeah. Perfect. Keep going. You got a lot more. Oh, God.
Okay, can I do the rest of my face?
Yeah, do whatever. Split it however, but you have to do the whole thing.
Okay.
Towel?
You didn't even touch it?
No. Guess what, guys? I'm going to have to do that. I know, straight forward mess. I don't want to do it. Was it nice?
Yeah, pretty nice. Except for the fact I have to change.
Oh, right. Okay, that's the same height as you. Oh, it's heavy.
Yep, it's all going on your head.
Ah, I don't want to do it.
It actually felt pretty good.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Oh, God. No. Right.
You have to do it, Rhiannon. I did it. Not like that.
Hold on. Oh. You know what? Whatever.
more. Almost done.
No. Give me it. You know what?
What?
I'm gonna do that again. That was nice.
Yeah. Just
Wanna do it
give it again, like right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, I'll fill it up for you. You try yourself. If you want. Okay. I can't even move without it dripping everywhere. Ah! Ooh, that's cold.
Your back is just like a red line. Do you want me to go first again, or do you want me to go?
Well, since I just went, you can go.
Is this our second one?
Yeah, but
Oh,
it's just
yeah.
for fun, because it's
Okay.
really nice. You don't have to videotape it if you don't want to.
I'll do it again.
Yeah.
I'm soaked already. I'll be soaked again.
Whew.
This water, look at it. That's like...
Yeah. Straight up, Anna. Like off your head, off your head, off your head. Yeah, let it pour down. That's what I did. I know, it feels so nice, right?
Yeah. How much left?
Oh, not that much, actually. 1, 2, 3, done.
Towel.
Take it.
Oh my god. I'm gonna wrap this around me.
Yeah, you probably should. Here.
So, gotta pull my pants down because they always come up. Okay.
Oh, that was cool.
Yeah.
Ah. Okay. Taking forever. Okay. Ugh. Why am I so afraid of doing it? Wait. Let's get Sarah out here.
And do it for you.
I want to show her. Let's show her. Hey, Sarah? Can you come out? Because we have a show for you. What?
I want to run out.
Yeah.
Why are we going to this now?
Just eat it out here.
Water out there.
No, we have to show you something.
I want to get sprayed.
You're not, we promise we won't spray you. We promise. We're spraying ourselves.
Is it short? So I can come back in.
Yeah, it's short.
The rest of my snack out.
I'm already soaked, Sarah, so...
I might have to leave if I think my snack's burning. I know your bread, Anna.
What's on it?
Cheese. Spicy cheese.
Okay, ready, Sarah? How about here? Sit down. We promise. We're not even using the hose that I won't spray you.
Go through it really quick.
Okay.
Good. Oh! Why are you doing that?
Because it's nice.
I did it twice, so...
That's the show?
Yep.
It's like a mini version of the jump thing of the tree.
Ta-da!
Yay!
Towel. taped it. Yeah, you don't look as soaked as I do.
Do I like do it with a bowl, just like or something?
Yeah.
Right now?
Well, you want to?
Yeah.
I mean, like, yeah, do it.
Okay. Hold the camera, entertain the audience, do whatever you want. Except drop it.